What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you might have asked what happened. So here in Thailand, the Prime Minister, he issued a warning saying that if you don't have to be outside, don't go outside, don't go to the bars, don't go to any kind of attraction. So we kind of heeded that warning. We stayed in, and we found some really cool things to binge. Like we was up on Netflix watching The Blacklist. We found Suits. We found all these kind of different shows to watch. So now we're out and about. We're back to our normal thing, and today we're going to be taking you on a little ride, I guess you could say. And we are heading down toward the Chiang Mai immigration office to extend our visa. So we're going to take you along. We're going to show you how to fill out the paperwork. We're going to show you how to pay the fees, where to pay the fees, and just the general process. So come along. So guys, we're now in the taxi, and we're going to be on our way to the immigration office. Guys, we just got to the Chiang Mai immigration office, and this is what it looks like. So what you do first is you come in, you're going to see where it says screening point, and you just basically just walk on through. It's kind of like it's supposed to wash you off and whatnot, but you basically just come through here, and then they kind of like ask you what you want to do.
We got passport. I think we just need the stamp. Okay, stamp. Okay, one people or two people?
Sure.
Sticker on the sticker on the shirt. Thank you.
Thank you. So, as you saw, they just asked us what we're here to do. We're just going to be getting a stamp today, but we're going to take you through the full process. We're going to show you how everything goes. So this here is the area where you first come. It's the preparing zone. It's where you grab your forms. So when you first, so these are the forms you need here. You need the return to the kingdom application form or the application for extension. So now, guys, we're just waiting for our number to be called, and we have numbers 3235 and 3236. So we're just going to be listening for 35 and 36. They just call us up, and then once your number is called, we just walk to where these two folks are at up front, and then they let you know about your paperwork if you have everything correct.
We didn't bring the paper. We just said that we're supposed to post. Okay.
We can contact counter number 3, no queue.
Oh.
Yes, we go straight inside and counter number 3.
Number 3?
Yes,
Okay.
no queue.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So guys, since we came in, the only thing we need is a stamp. We just go to the Q3. So we'll find out how everything's going now.
Ticket number 012. Please proceed to counter 7.
So now the only thing we have to do is just wait to hear for our names to be called, and all they're just going to do is stamp our visa, and then we'll be able to go for another 45 days. Alright guys, so we just extended our visa. We got the stamp, and we're allowed to stay in Thailand now until the 3rd of March. So we have options. We can either come back and get another stamp, pay 1900 baht, which is $55, and possibly get another 60 days. So right now we're gonna head to a restaurant, probably try to find us something to eat, or we're gonna probably head to a waterfall, so stay tuned.
Oh, a quick tip, you guys. Make sure that if you're needing like copies of your paperwork, like your passport, your TM30, and all the paperwork that you need, if you need copies of it, right across the street, there's a way that you can make copies. It's called ABC Visa over there. You probably can't see it, but it's over there. It's right across the street. So whenever you need like some copies or something of the paperwork that you're gonna need for here, you can go over there. And it's really, really affordable to get it there too. And you can also take photos. So when you do take photos, they actually give you 4. So the next time you come back, you'll already have that photo ready.
So we're now in a tuk-tuk and we're gonna be on our way to Kaew Waterfall. We just left the immigration office and now we're about to go hiking. So we'll see you when we get there.
Guess where we are. Let me show you. We finally made it. After the last time we came and it was closed.
Yeah.
And then we kept coming and it was closed.
Today is finally open.
Look, it's open.
So I'm gonna show y'all what the waterfall is about. We're gonna go on a great hike. Come on.
Oh. So they do have a sign up here, as you can see.
So as you can see, guys, no alcohol. It's alcohol-free zone. You gotta wear your mask the whole time while you're hiking. And we're gonna take y'all with us. So let's go.
ทั้งนี้เพื่อสุขภาพของท่านเอง และเพื่อการป้องกันโรคระบาดโควิด -19 นะเจ้า ทางอุทยานแห่งชาติดอยสุเทพปุย และอสม.บ้านพี่แก้ว ขอขอบพระคุณทุกท่านที่ให้ความร่วมมืออย่างดีนะเจ้า
Hey guys, so if you keep going and come over the 2 bridges, you'll see, if you keep going down, you'll see a little trail that goes up, and it seems like it's gonna take us to like a cliff and a pond. So we about to check it out. Y'all, as you can tell by my breathing, we honestly haven't been out the house in a minute. So to come out and do this hike, woo. But we kind of got off the trail a little bit just to see what was over here.
You get a real beautiful view of the waterfall. And then we're gonna keep going up a little bit more, try to get to the cliff.
Yeah, so there's more to see up. Let's go. Whew, I almost slipped. but we're about to continue up. Yeah, these remind me of, it reminds me of Austin Greenbelt, but steeper. So we've been through plenty of Greenbelts in Austin, so it's really not that bad, but like I said, we've been stuck in the house for a couple of weeks, so it seemed like we're hitting it kind of hard. Woo! Kind of look like the path ends here, but I don't know. We're gonna keep going, see what's up.
Because I saw loose gravel. I want to go on loose gravel.
You good?
Yeah, I'm just trying to see where to get good footing. You okay?
Mm-hmm. And look at what's up here. This is gorgeous. Whew. All right, let's see what's over the cliff. Seems like you can kind of go that way too, to climb up on the back side of it. But here so far it's gorgeous. Seems like I can go a little bit up more too as well up there, but I don't think it's too much. Might be too much up there. I'm thinking that's the pond, and of course the cliff, I guess. So I don't know if there's anything else up higher. I'm gonna just take a peek. I'm not gonna go all the way. Doesn't look like too much. I'm not gonna push it. If you guys been to this one and you've been up that way, let me know. But I'm good right here. It's beautiful. Guys, so we made it back down to the bottom, and it was a bit, it was a hike. It was a nice little hike. I think you could have kept going like I was showing, but we were good right there. But look at the water, it's just streaming down. They said that a lot of people have picnics and you know, bring food out here and everything and just dip in the water a little bit, but it's nice. So we're going around the other way, guys. See what's over here. It's kind of closer to the waterfall, so we have to check it out over here.